Hey friends, I'm Tasia, and this video will tell you some of the best apps for hosting a virtual game night. Plus, I'll highlight some of the most fun multiplayer games that you're definitely gonna wanna play online with your friends. Rather than sit around bored night after night while you're social distancing from the rest of the human race, is it just me still doing that? Why not host a virtual game night? So the first thing you're going to need is an app. So here's a list in alphabetical order of the best apps for virtual game night. First up, Google Meet. It's totally free and you can have up to 100 of your closest friends in your Meet. I think in October they may restrict the length of a video chat, so get in there and use Google Meet for endless hours while you still can. And if you're intrigued on all that Google Meet has to offer, I'll link to another video about the best Google Meet features below and again at the end of this video. Okay, next up is the Houseparty app. Houseparty is definitely the video chat app with the most buzz lately, and for good reason. It's an Android app, an iOS app, Mac desktop app, as well as a Chrome app. So no matter the operating systems your friends are using, you'll be able to enjoy a virtual game night. Plus, Houseparty even comes with its own set of games, which I'll get to in a little bit. But first, one more app, and the last app is an oldie but a goodie, the OG of video chat, Skype. Most people I know already have Skype installed either on their desktop or mobile device, and its user interface remains easy to use, so it's a great choice for hosting your virtual game night. Now you might notice that Zoom is noticeably missing from my list of best apps to host a virtual game night, and that's for one simple reason. If you're using the free version of Zoom, you have a 40-minute time limit on your video chat. That's one quick game night. Okay, quick tip. Before you host a game night and you pick your games, make sure you do a test run. So have a friend or family member help you out and test things like the audio and video quality that syncs with the games you've chosen and your choice of app. Speaking of games, let's move into my picks for some of the most fun games. First up is HeadsUp. That's right, the app that spawned from the Ellen DeGeneres show is now available virtually via Houseparty. So as I said, Houseparty actually has a few games built right into the app, but this is my favorite. It's a game I love playing in person, so playing virtually is the next best thing. In HeadsUp, you have to guess the secret word from verbal clues your friends give you. Next up, Jackbox Games. As the name would suggest, Jackbox isn't just one game. It's actually a studio that's created an entire suite of games. You can purchase single games, but I recommend buying a party pack. They've got about 6 different party packs to choose from right now, plus a huge category of standalone games. Next is another game from the creators of HeadsUp. Psych! No, really, that's the name of the game. Psych! It's like Balderdash, where each player has to make up fake answers to real questions, and your job is to choose the real answer among the fakes. It's super fun. The next game is a winner if you and your friends love a good trivia night, and it's called QuizUp, all one word. There's a plethora of categories in this game and thousands upon thousands of topics, so you'll have different trivia every time you play. Plus, with QuizUp, you can play against people with the same shared interests as you and challenge people to rematch should you need to reclaim your throne. Last but not least on my picks of fun online multiplayer games is Cattegories. That's right, the classic board game that forces you to think fast on your feet has gone virtual. Just like with QuizUp, you can challenge another user or organize a virtual game night with friends only. So now I want to hear from you guys. What are your picks for the best apps to host a virtual game night? And what are some of your picks for the most fun online multiplayer games? Let everybody know in the comments below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, I want to know, so give it a like, a share, or leave a comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel and somewhere up here for another video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.